Okay, so this is an introduction into the pin press, which you'll see on your program. The pin press is designed to make it as hard as possible in that bottom position of the bench press. We're trying to take out any momentum that you get and any stored energy at that bottom position, and you're going to go from a dead stop every time. You need to be really strict with how you do it though, because you can cheat, and you might not even know you're cheating when you do it. So I'm going to show you the rep first, what it should look like, and then I'll talk you through it. Okay, so the takeoff position is the same as normal pause bench, that doesn't change, that stays the same. These obviously have to come up quite a bit, so the catching pins, because you're actually resting on it. So I think I have it on 7 for normal bench, and now I've got it on 9. So I know with 9, it's just about touching my chest and the pins at the same time. Once there's a decent amount of weight on there, I'll be pushed down into the bench, so it will actually be touching both at the same time. So it might take you a bit of practice to find the exact setting, but I'll do that with you when we go through the testing process to start this program, so we'll already have that all set up. You'll notice when I took it down, at the bottom I actually relaxed and let a breath out, and then retightened, and then went. So that's a bit different to just taking a long pause, because on paused bench we don't want you to lose tightness at the bottom. We want everything held in. On here we're deliberately losing it to make it as hard as possible. Then you have to work hard to get tight again and then press up. What we don't want you to do is to stay tight, basically just do a paused press and press it straight back up. Or we don't want you to lose tightness, and then as you tighten, heave it and go in one motion. So this is what I don't want you to do, this next one. So what we don't want because by doing that, we're sort of taking the positive aspect out of it. We're heaving it up and cheating to get it going. We don't want to do that. We want to get re-tight and then press. So it's actually on the pins for quite a long time. You might struggle with it because you're deliberately making it harder every time you train, and you might notice that your speeds are lower than normal bench press. But all of that is fine, and that is actually what we're looking for.